So Dunnington fits into the Caneland platform, and at the time we're shipping that, an OEM will be able to offer a Dunnington-based product or a Tigerton-based product in essentially the same platform, same socket, same motherboard, same peripherals, same drivers, same memory. It's just a processor upgrade.
Why would they want to go? Why would someone go for Caneland if they could get Dunnington? Is it going to be a big price call?
And so, well, of course, we always introduce at the high end and then bring down. Hopefully, we'll have a number of price points when we introduce. But the point is that we'll have a significant performance gain for most applications by going to Dunnington. So we think it'll allow us to keep the leadership that we have right now. So 6 cores. The way we implement it, as you can see from the picture, is using the basic Penryn design, the dual core element with the smaller version of the cache, and then tiling that around the chip. So basically, this is a Penryn, this is a Penryn, this is a Penryn, and then we build this large last level cache, and we build the system interface here that the cache sits between the cores and the system bus, and this is the system interface.
Right, that's the L3, right? And the L2
This is the L3.
Right, and the L2 is between the 2 cores and that part.
These are the respective L2s. The total result is that the cache isolates enough of the bus traffic that you can get the performance boost while still staying on the existing. Caneland is a four socket MP platform for expandable, scalable, right? And so people can even build larger systems if they want to with that Xeon product line. The initial Nehalem design that we just shared with you today is a 4-core, 2 quick path design. I'll show you that picture in a minute. And it's really optimized for 2-socket systems. There'll be a second generation of Nehalem that's the EX version that will have up to 8 cores and 4 quick path links. That'll be an MP one. So if you think about the time interval, from the time we introduce the Caneland platform, it'll have a solid 2+ year life in terms of presence in the market. Some overlap with Nehalem EX, but basically server customers, both the vendors and the IT shops, like to qualify something and have a 2-year lifetime. So Caneland, we went to production in volume in Q3 of 07. We're doing a refresh in second half of 08, so about a year into the lifetime. And we expect to be able to ship this thing in volume for at least a year after we do the refresh. Caneland launch 2007, right. Caneland refresh 2008, Nehalem and MP 2009. I think the way most IT buyers work, honestly, is they qualify something and they keep buying it. The number of times an IT manager goes back and changes the chips in the platform is modest. However, if they're qualifying a certain server, call it a server from FSC or from Dell or from HP or from IBM, they qualify that whole infrastructure. The server itself, the motherboard, the BIOS, the peripheral devices, the drivers, the whole infrastructure. And they want to keep, that they want to make benefit out of that qualification work, right? So what we're allowing them to do is to keep 90-something% of that and only qualify the difference, which is the processor, and still get a significant performance boost for the platform. So the most likely scenario is an IT manager qualifies the platform, buys the platform in volume, and knows that the platform gets a boost later this year when we could ship this thing in second half, and they already know what their future path is. Right?